I'ma call my mother. Me I cry. I say, I don't know what to do, whatever, you know. Just you can just imagine. I don't want to ball pan you again, so but you can just imagine. And that is when my mother tell me, stop the crying. She said, stop the crying, you ball too much. A time now for you be strong and fight. You can't just make this man walk over you so. And people not understanding, you know, sometimes people file for you to come to this country, like you have a guilt. It's like you have a guilt. So people say, oh, you know, see all of the red and blah, blah, blah. But it's like, even when me not taking him off the account, when me know, say, him not mean me not good. But it's like you have this guilt in you and say them file for you. So it's like anything them do you, them can do you. Because them do so much for you. And that is when my mother say, you know, stop the crying. That time for you fight back. You can't just make the mother treat you so.
No, don't cry. You've come too far to break now. Look at her, your little girl. That's your reason, that's your strength. Late nights, tears falling on your pillow. Heart so heavy, feeling so little. They try to break you, try to take your life, but you still standing, still in the fight. Voices talking, trying to pull you down. Smiling faces, turning all around. But deep inside, you know your worth. You're still a queen, you gave her birth. And every scar tells a story. Every tear holds your glory. They don't know the strength you carry. You're a mother that's legendary. Don't cry, Alicia. No, don't you fall. You got your daughter. You got it all. Through the pain, through the fire, you keep rising, climbing higher. They try to hurt you, break your soul, but you're stronger. Now you know. Stand tall. Don't you bend. You got love that'll never end. Look at her eyes, she's watching you. Everything you are, she's becoming too. So hold your head, don't let it drop. You're her hero, don't ever stop. Oh, the world got cold, people got cruel, but you stayed real, you played it true. And even when your heart felt pain, you danced through storms, stood in the rain. And every night felt so lonely, but you rise, strong and holy. They don't see the fight within, but you fight and you win. Don't cry, Alicia. No, don't you fall. You got your daughter. You got it all. Through the pain, through the fire, you keep rising, climbing higher. They try to hurt you, break your soul, but you're stronger. Now you know. Stand tall. Don't you bend. You got love that'll never end. Big up to the ones that stay right there when the world turned cold. They showed they care. The big up crew, They held you tight through your darkness, they brought you light. No weapon formed gon' take you down. You wear your pain like a crown. From broken pieces, you became a stronger woman through the pain. So don't cry. Wipe your eyes. She needs you. You're her life. Don't cry, Alicia. No, don't you fall. You got your daughter. You got it all. Through the pain, through the fire, you keep rising, climbing higher. That'll never end. No, don't cry. You already won. Look at your daughter. That's your son. It's your son.